Good evening, guys. I went ahead and pulled the engine. I was on the phone with a buddy. Uh, got the starter generator off, and it's in the shed. We're gonna. Well, I've already showed you in other videos how to do the bearing replacements. So I'm not doing brushes to this. I'm just doing bearings. So, um, that'll be pretty much all I'm doing. If I do find anything else in this one, then I'll turn the camera back on, but I doubt it. It'll be fine. Alright, guys, see you in a bit. Okay, guys, so I got the engine together, ready, and the head bolts removed for the back. So it's ready to go back in. The starter generator, it was only the outside bearing that was bad. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's dry as a bone. So, it's got a brand new bearing. The other bearing seemed alright. I couldn't get it apart anyway, and wasn't going to force the issue. So, alright guys, so I will start by putting the engine back on. Then I'll bring you back. She's smoking a little bit, and she's got a tap to her. Basically, it's going to smoke for a while because it had water in the bore when I got it. Plus, there's a lot of oil and stuff on the outside of the block from me cleaning the cylinder. pull started it off the pulley side because the pulley is broke, so I was able to get a good grip. Alright guys, like and subscribe. This is gonna be the end of tonight's video. And we will finish it up this weekend sometime. Alright guys, see you on the next one.